Good morning, guys. It's Big J here from Big J's Garage. Should I say actually it's Johnny here from Big J's Garage. Today we are going to be working on winter tires. We're going to put the 17-inch winter tires on the 2007 Rabbit. I'm also going to do an oil change. So my son is going to change the rims over and I'm going to get under and do an oil change at the same time. So we will divide and conquer and get this car ready for next couple of months of winter. So go get yourself a coffee, a wobbly pop, some type of refreshment, sit back and relax, because I'm going to have to do all the hard work. So we will see you soon. Okay guys, Johnny here again. So we got the first wheel on, no issues, all good, heading for winter. I did the brakes on this car and basically did a full overhaul on it in the very early summer. So what we have noticed is maybe I didn't tighten them tight enough or they vibrated loose. The dust shield backer has managed to lose 2 bolts. Now as it happens, I actually found a couple. So I'm going to be putting them in with blue Loctite and that should be the end of that. But rather than this being a 10-minute tire change, it's going to take a half an hour. So wouldn't be any fun if you could just do it right the first time. Like doing it 2 times, maybe 3 times to get it right. That's the joys of doing your own DIY maintenance. Anyway, I'm going to get to this. It's an easy fix. Thankfully we found it. Dylan identified it. So good. We caught it and nothing broke. So just get to it. Now guys, I was able to get that caliper carrier on, the rear rotor is on, and the dust shield is secured. Now all we got to do is push back the piston caliper because it would have compressed. I managed to be able to prise it off at the end. So there's a little kit you can get off Amazon. Which consists of this. Like so. Okay, same thing with this one. Looks like I either neglected to put Loctite on, forgot to put Loctite on, or just didn't tighten them. So what I'm going to do is make sure that this isn't going to come loose again. So we are going to Loctite. There's a little bit. What this will do is it will stop this from trying to vibrate and back itself out. Now, that's going nowhere. So the next thing is to put the disc back on. carrier back on. The Titan specs on everything in this car is the German Guten Tight. So we go with that standard in this house. So everything is Guten Tight. So it's a very German spec to go with. And over the years I found it quite well to go with the iChronometer and to go with the Guten Tight spec. So with that, I'm going to turn you off and I'll turn you back on in a minute. Okay, caliper carrier is back on. Now we're just putting back on the caliper. I've already pushed back the piston. $15 mil to hold the inside of the caliper slider, 14 for the slider bolt itself. We're going with the German Guten Tight torque setting. Because I think we had these dust plates on the earlier torque setting of sort of tight or nice and tight, but everything really should be the balls out Guten Tight spec. Then you don't have to worry about it. Now sometimes it's Guten Tight, you can actually over torque something and snap a bolt, but I take that chance.